Today's focus is on self-awareness, a crucial element in strengthening our ability to manage our impulses and behaviors. We look at three key aspects of self-awareness: values, motivation, and growth mindset. Understanding these aspects can unlock a deeper understanding of ourselves and provide a strong foundation for building self-control. Values, your inner compass. Think of your values as your personal GPS, guiding you towards what truly matters in life. They are the core beliefs that shape your choices, actions, and priorities. Understanding your values is like having a roadmap for decision making, helping you stay aligned with your authentic self. Take some time to reflect on your values. What principles are most important to you? What do you stand for? Some common values include honesty, integrity, kindness, creativity, and personal growth. Once you have identified your core values, consider how they influence your actions and choices. Do your daily habits align with your values? When you make decisions, do you consider how they reflect your core beliefs? By being mindful of your values, you can make more intentional choices that lead to a more fulfilling life. Motivation, the fire within. Motivation is the driving force behind our actions. It's what gets us out of the bed in the morning, fuels our efforts, and keep us going when challenges arise. Understanding what motivates you is essential for building self-control because it allows you to tap into your inner drive and stay focused on your goals. There are actually two main types of motivation: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation comes from within ourselves. It's the joy, passion, or satisfaction you derive from doing something simply because you love it. Whereas extrinsic motivation, on the other hand, comes from external rewards or pressures like money, recognition, or the desire to avoid punishment. Both types of motivation can be useful, but intrinsic motivation tends to be more sustainable and fulfilling in the long run. Take some time to reflect on what motivates you in different areas of your life. What activities bring you joy, a sense of purpose? By connecting with your intrinsic motivation, you can create a more meaningful and enjoyable life, making self-control feel less likely a chore and more like a natural extension of who you are. Growth mindset. Our mindset is the way we perceive ourselves and our abilities, and it plays a significant role in our ability to develop self-control. A growth mindset is actually the belief that our abilities are not fixed but can be developed through effort, learning, and dedication. It's about embracing challenges, seeing setbacks as opportunities for growth, and persisting in the face of obstacles. In contrast, a fixed mindset is the belief that our abilities are innate and unchangeable. People with a fixed mindset tend to avoid challenges, fear failure, and give up easily when things get tough. Cultivating a growth mindset is really essential for strengthening self-control because it allows us to see challenges as opportunities for learning and growth rather than the threats to our self-esteem. These three pillars of self-awareness provide us with a deeper understanding of ourselves, empowering us to make choices that align with our authentic selves and goals. As we continue our efforts for mastering self-control, remember that self-awareness is just an ongoing process. Take the time to reflect on your values, discover your motivations, and embrace a growth mindset. These are not just concepts but powerful tools that can help you navigate the life challenges with greater resilience and grace.